Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we just closed on, so literally just left the closing. I'll show you around. It was for sale, but it's sold now. Yeah, we buy houses in any condition. So this is in Old Jefferson. It's a nice area, definitely a very dated house though. So, you know, the seller, you can see it's all soft. Very dated kitchen. So I'll give you the story. I mean, the seller has owned this house for quite a while. Actually, it was a rental for, I forget what you said, but I think there was here for like 12 years or not. They had a tenant who was here for a long time. So I mean, that was good that they stayed in the house, you know, for that long. That's really good as a landlord to get that sort of thing. But problem is when you get it afterwards, it's like nothing's been done for a long time. It's generally, you know, not that looked after. So that was a condition for her, and she just didn't want it. It's a big deal to rehab this, so she just was ready to sell it. She actually tried to sell it to someone else. It was an out-of-state investor who had it under contract, and she reached out to us because they're just taking a long time. Like, they're meant to close, and they're changing the date, and just there's a lot of issues. And we see that with out-of-state people. I don't know why, but like a lot of these out-of-state investors, for whatever reason, they think a deal in, you know, in New Orleans looks good, but like for whatever reason they can't close. I just don't think they might understand the insurance and some of the details. So I must say it's not that uncommon. So she was a little concerned about that, you know, and once that contract ran out, we moved in and were able to get the house under contract, and we just closed. So, you know, we're able to get it closed for her. We're local, you know, we're based in New Orleans, you know, we do invest regionally. We're in Lafayette, Baton Rouge, Mississippi Gulf Coast. So we're really in that region is our sort of wheelhouse. But we're able to buy it all cash as is. So yeah, you see, this is pretty old kitchen, you know, just a very dated house. You probably can't see, there's a bit of a buckle in the floor. You see that. Yeah, super old, very far from being ready for a homeowner. So you're not ready to like list, no homeowners ready to move into this. So definitely something needs a rehab, and it's even so old that you know, too old for a tenant. Yeah, tenant's gonna want it updated and not move into this. So, you know, we love buying houses like this. We love projects. We have rentals and we also flip. So this could be either probably a flip just because it needs so much work. Once we do that, we probably want to flip it. But we do all sorts of things. So, you know, we love dealing with properties like this. We understand you may not want to do that. That's what we do at Home Buyer Louisiana. So if you're looking to sell your property, reach out to us. Go to homebuyerlouisiana.com. We're happy to chat to you. We're really friendly and helpful. We don't need to buy every house from everyone that calls us. So if you call us, there's no pressure. We're happy to have a conversation. If it fits that we're a good buyer, we'd love to buy it. If it doesn't, we'll give you advice and let you know as well. So reach out. Thanks so much, guys.